Hi everyone, it's Coop here. I'm out hunting in a cornfield today, and just got my first signal, and looks like it's a copper. Can't really tell what it is. I'll clean it up when I get home and let you know. I think I got another copper here. Clean it up when I get home, let you know what it is. Hey everyone, it's Coop here. I'm out at an old house site. I just got my first good signal. And I went to go pull it up out of the hole there, and I seen that I got a bunch of coins stuck together. There's at least, I believe, 3 right here. And the one on the top, I don't know where you can see it, but it is an Indian. So right there's 3 Indian head pennies, and I'm still getting a signal down in the hole. Oh, there's another one. Another, let's see if there's any more. Oh, so there it is. 5 Indians in one hole. I'll clean them up when I get home, let you know the dates. Okay, I just separated the first couple, and I wanted you to see that it's still actually a copper color. Go ahead and get these other 2 undone. No, it doesn't want to come apart right now. Just dug this nice Colonial buckle. Well, the frame to a buckle anyway. Alright guys, my brother Dan, he just got his first silver coin ever. It looks like a Merc. Congratulations, bub. Couple feet away from where my brother just got the Merc, he just got his first large copper. It looks like a large cent. Great find, man. Okay guys, I just made a really good find. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is a half cent. I can't tell if that's if it's a drape bust or not, but it looks a little different. I'll have to get it home and clean it up, but it looks to be in halfway decent condition. It's got a nice thick patina, so hopefully there's some detail, but it is a half cent. Alright, we just switched to a new spot, and got my first coin target here, and it looks like a large cent. And I just got my first silver for the day, guys, and it looks like a barber quarter. 1904.